OEM HVAC Parts Canada.ca is proud to present our description product video on the 12908 motor. Please notice how the 12908 motor is packaged. If you are looking at knowing how to install the 12908 motor, please look at the video below, or go to the link provided in the description page of this video. Caution! Please understand that the 12908 replacement motor for 1.5 Contructo units may not be the correct motor for your unit. You may in fact need to purchase the Contructo 1.5 17236 motor. If your unit serial number starts with CR, do not buy the 12908 motor. The connectors will not fit. If you are not sure as to which motor will work with your unit, please contact us on our website contact page. Remove styrofoam from motor. Remove styrofoam from motor. Please note that this video is just a product description video. If you like to view other product videos, or some of our how-to-do videos, please explore our YouTube channel. If you could subscribe to our YouTube channel, and like this video, this would be most appreciative. Thank you again for watching a product video on the 12908 motor.